Idriss II, a prominent historical figure in Morocco, was the second ruler of the Idrisid dynasty. Born in 791 AD in Volubilis, he was the son of Idriss I, a prominent Arab leader who helped in laying the foundations of Moroccan statehood and Islamic influence in North Africa. Idriss II's story begins as a young boy when, following the murder of his father by emissaries of the Abbasid Caliphate, he fled with his mother to remote areas to seek safety. When Idriss II reached adulthood, he took up his father's mission to continue the transformation of the Moroccan landscape. In 805 AD, Idriss II was unanimously chosen as the king after demonstrating his leadership skills that inspired the various Berber tribes in the region to rally around him, creating a cohesive and more unified identity for Morocco. His reign marked the beginning of Fez's development as a major cultural and religious center in the north. Idriss II set up his capital in Fez, the location strategically chosen between the mountains and rivers for protection and trade benefits. He encouraged scholars, artisans, and Muslim pilgrims to settle in Fez, promoting its multicultural growth and solidifying its place as an influential center of Islamic learning. Under his reign, new mosques and religious schools were constructed. The most notable institution was the University of Al-Qarawiyyin, which still stands today as the oldest existing, continually operating higher educational institution in the world. His efforts in governance extended beyond urban planning. He established a fair legal system rooted in Islamic principles while actively engaging with the local Berber communities, fostering stability and alliance. This inclusive approach ensured minimal internal conflict and laid the groundwork for future generations. Idriss II's reign had a lasting impact, establishing the legitimacy and influence of the Idrisid dynasty within Morocco. He left a legacy of a culturally rich and politically coherent state that would thrive for centuries. His leadership proved pivotal in the evolution of Morocco, making it an important historical chapter in the realm of Islamic and African history.